Hello, welcome friends on my channel. I am Vaibhav and my channel name is VW Investing Option Channel. So today we are discussing about upcoming IPO of Physics Wallah. So without wasting a further time, let's discuss about the company Physics Wallah. So by considering the name that you understand what is a Physics Wallah. So Physics Wallah is online firm which was opened and currently it is in the business of the education. So let's see first their website here. So what these guys are currently are doing in the market. So this is the website of Physics Wallah. You can see here. So what is the nature of business? They are into the online education business. Especially they are providing a tuitions for a NEET, JEE, UPSC, government exam, defense exam. And as you aware, India is the one of the country where the youth is much high, and everyone want to qualify for this competitive exam. And the Physics Wala is providing facilities for student to educate and apply for those studies. So these are the some snip which is they provided on their website, how much student they have, what are the mock tests they are they are taking videos and practice papers. So this is something available on their website. But we go into deep, we see especially this company will really worthful or not. So let's going forward to our conclusion part. So Physics Wala is a company. The founder of the company is Alak Pandey and Pratik Maheshwari. This company have been started in year 2016. So this is really amazing. The person who started online classes by YouTube or some other platform, and people started attracting him, especially his way of teaching, his liking, his perfection in his subject, and basis which the student are getting a good marks. So very in short span, this company have been grow tremendously. The nature of the business is online and offline education, especially for the NEET and JEE preparation. If you see India, every parent want to send her son or daughter in this competitive exams, and fees of NEET and JEE exams is just crossing 5 lakhs in every city of the India. So considering this, the business nature is currently they are having their head office at Noida. They currently have 55 lakh of student. Their YouTube subscriber is crossing 4.6 year. Employee, that is teacher, amongst 14,000 cities that they have covered in India, that is 105. And revenue growth, which is most important into finance, that is 2.5x. And considering this company is very good for the investing. That is what coming out. The current valuation of the company is $2.8 billion. Earlier valuation was $1.1 billion. This is a big question. Why the education company or such company is having a value of 2.8 US billion dollar? This is basically considering the future growth of the company. Basically, company don't have any manufacturing plant, don't have machines, don't have sales, don't have any something which is like the other companies that we have seen in the market. So this company is totally into service business, service of the education, and they are giving most education by online, where the cost is much lesser. You have to just have online setup, and the student have setup at their end. Offline education definitely it required physically, like the office, air conditions, students, teachers, books. The cost is going to high. Considering and everything, the $2.8 billion that the market thing. Who are their competitor? The Byju's, Akash, Upgrade, Vedantu, these are their competitor. As you know, Byju's is one of the leading education company into India, and they are facing the challenges, financial challenges. But Physics Wala is another company that is coming. What is the reporting method they have opted? So basically, they are pre-filing the sensitive data with Nifty, especially what it says, like their financial details, their financial metrics, and the risk from their revivals. So pre-filing, that is the method which is SEBI have introduced in November 2022. which is called DRPH, draft read hearing prospectus. So this is what a just method. This is nothing to do with us, but companies filing. So it shows us the seriousness of company. Since 2021, the company have started to launch the IPO. So they have been started launching the IPO since 4 year is now from 2021. So they are much conscious. They know how to put the company into IPO and how they can get money from the IPO. What capital they have borrowed till now? $210 million they have been borrowed till now. Who have been provided that? That is the West Bridge Capital, GSV Venture, Lightspeed Venture Partner, and Hornbill Capital. So these are the current financer for the company. Who is interested as an investor in this company? This is what is main concern, main important things. See here, Kotak Mahindra, Axis Bank, JP Morgan, and Goldman. These are the real big firm. These are interested in this company, which show and how much money they can invest it potentially 4 to 500 million US dollar. So these guys want to become a financer of the company before the IPO. So after the IPO, they can take their share and exit. So it seems that the company is profitable from last 4 year. We do not have their financials easily available uh, on the any of the share drive, uh, but that will come. So expected IPO cost. So company have expected IPO is around 4,600 CR. Something mistake here in writing by my team. Let me correct that. That's a 4,600 CR. The draft paper is under filing. So 4,600 CR, that is they are expecting to launch in the IPO. So it's a big amount which is they are claiming. Why they require this capital? Currently, Physics Wallah company is having their treasury around 1,200 CR, and which they are managing very easily. They don't have any facing any challenges. Why they required 4,600 CR? That is a big question. Their expectation to build own building for coaching and office. Now, here in their business, there is a slightly change by the government. There's a rule which is the most of the government, state government have been filing. If you want to open the academy for the 11, 12, JE and NIT exams, you haven't have to your own setup, the own college, and then you can easy to study as a student. Normally what happened in this case, people who pass the 10, they took the admission for 11, 12 just as a normal. They don't go for the schools, colleges, they just attend the classes, and they just appear for the final exam or 12th, and then JE and NIT. That is what their agenda. So government are mentioning that this is a something loophole in education system. So you should have college people or students should attend all the classes, and then you can go for JE and either or what are the competitive exams are there. So to maintain with this, they require a lot of capital to build up their own building setup. Also, to expand the online classes and more facilities. Expanding online classes also not a joke. It's a big thing. They require a lot of teacher in a lot of cities where they need to pay a lot of money to them, a lot of infrastructure they need to provide, and basis which they can able to explore into entire India. So this is what in nutshell what I have been found about this company. I personally found Physics Wala is good company. The financials and internal other details I've shared with you, and those will help you when the IPO will launches in coming months. It will come, but prior to that, you should notice this company that is there to coming into market. So keep your money ready. Don't invest anywhere. Just keep how much minimum lot they will be allotted, and you can bid on that. So this is good company. I personally recommended this company whenever it will come. But don't miss. Just get more study about these stocks, and it's good for you investing for your future. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching for my channel and for my video. Again, very thanks. And if this the IPO will come, let me know once you will apply and once you will get this IPO. Thank you. Bye.